In this video, we'll be showing you how you can import items into your inventory. You'll first need to launch RepairDesk and go to the Items section on the left-hand side. From here, you can click on Import/Export in the top right-hand corner and select Import Products. This takes us to the Product Import page. Here, we can download a sample Excel file and modify it with the changes that we want. Once we've done that, we can upload the file to this page. Since we've already created a file, let's import it right now. Once the file is uploaded, you can click on Next Step. Now you'll be able to see all the columns that are in your file and the matching fields in your inventory. Make sure they're all mapped correctly in this section. Once you're done, click on Next Step. Now you'll be able to see the sort of import that will happen in real time. Review the information, then click Confirm Import. You get a final confirmation screen notifying you of the number of items that will be added and updated into the system. Once you're done, click on Confirm. Your items have now been imported successfully. Going back to the item screen, you'll be able to see all of them imported as normal. And that's how you can import items into your inventory in RepairDesk.